New arrival available. Direct importer, exporter of all kinds of Japan surplus trucks and heavy equipments. Need trucks, heavy equipments? We provide all. Quality and low prices guarantee. Cash or bank financing. We have the widest selection of Japan surplus trucks available in stock. All parts are guaranteed original Japan and in good condition, as well as the quality. This unit is now available at a reasonable price and low down payment in financing with fast approval. Default text money. More units to choose that suits to your business, so call now or visit our site to avail our mega discount. Features and specifications are as follows. Reconditioned, fully upholstered, tilting cabin, detailing, with registration and TPL insurance, equals toolbox, equals tools, hydraulic jack, EWD tire wrench with spare tire, equals with seat belt, power steering, check engine, newly change oil, newly tune-up, newly calibrated injection pump, including fuel injector, transmission, including clutch lining, clutch disc, pressure plate, new gear oil, differential, including gear oil, repacking boogie pin, tie rod, leaf spring, shock absorber, good condition ball joint, new overhaul with good condition, brand new batteries, headlights, brake lights, back lights, side lights, tail lights, clearance lights, cabin lights, fog lights, check alternator, cigarette lighter, complete check of electrical wirings, panel gauge indicator are all working, including odometer, heat temperature, fuel gauge, oil gauge, starter, horn and back horn, front wipers, power windows, manual door locks, audio system, sun visor driver and passenger side, rear view mirror, color of your choice including two tones and stripes, logos and lettering, capacity and gross weight. With the service and quality that we have, we will see to it that we satisfy and meet the demands of our clients. Sales and service is our business. To check units available, visit us in our yard. We are located at Purok Tejasa Road, Concepcion, Lubao, Pampanga. For more inquiries, please call Engineer Saman Jayantha at landline 04542. Smart 09199977999 Globe 01777999955. You may also follow and reach us to our social media platforms. For our website, www.osakasubic.com.